every time the dog barks, she snores. She catch me. She catch me. Every time the dog would bark, she would snore. A small chatter. Okay, Ginger, he's okay. You can sleep again.